Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has grabbed headlines and stirred debates around the globe: Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's strategy regarding Gaza. Now, it's easy to brush off politicians' statements as mere rhetoric, especially when it's coming from a figure as controversial as Netanyahu. But let's take a closer look, because this time it seems he really means business. Critics often label Netanyahu's speeches as mere distractions, ways to appease his political allies like Itamar Ben-Gvir and Bezalel Smotrich. They call him a liar, a crook, someone without a real plan. But what if we're missing the bigger picture here? Netanyahu has consistently pushed for maintaining security control over Gaza, a stance he's held firm on despite considerable skepticism. This isn't just talk, it's a strategic move, one that could potentially Judaize Gaza, transforming the region's geopolitical landscape significantly. So why is this important? Well, if Netanyahu succeeds, this could lead to major shifts in power dynamics, not just in Israel, but across the Middle East. The implications are huge, ranging from shifts in political alliances to impacts on daily lives of millions of people in the region. This strategy has moved forward quietly, without overt support from other key Israeli figures like Benny Gantz or Yoav Gallant, and even without clear backing from the United States. But make no mistake, it's moving. Netanyahu is not just playing politics, he's playing a long game. So, what can we expect next? If Netanyahu's plan moves forward, we could see increased tensions not just within Israel but internationally. The quest to maintain security control over Gaza is not just about politics, it's about reshaping futures, redrawing boundaries, and redefining regional power. It's crucial to keep an eye on these developments. Understanding the true intentions behind political moves not only helps us foresee possible futures, but also prepares us for the potential repercussions that might follow. Thanks for tuning in. We'll continue to watch this situation closely and bring you updates as they unfold. Stay informed, stay engaged, and see you in the next video.